Hi there, welcome back. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mark and this is my 1980 Ferrari 308 GTSi. One second. Sorry about that, I was just joking. Today is a good day, I think, hope, because I am preparing to get in the car and drive to Gorinchem to have a look at how my car is doing and if the paint is nearly there, ready to come on the car. Know what I mean? So let's just hop in the car, go to Gorinchem, visit GTSi, and have a look at how my car is doing. Well guys, here we are. We are at ASN. Oh, I think you are seeing this in reflection, I think. In Gorinchem, yes. And inside we have the Ferrari. And if you look behind me, you see some very beautiful Audis, some crazy people honking with their cars. Well, let's have a look where we can find our car. There she is. I'm gonna turn you around and let's have a look. Wow, I hope it shows on video, but this already is a complete transformation. I know the colors don't look the way like you maybe expected, but if you have a closer look, you can see that they've done a lot of body work on the car. As you can see, the lines match perfectly. Oh my god, guys. I'm just wondering how before when you close the door you had to lift it up. It feels very solid. Doesn't that like? Well, lines are matching perfectly. Wow. So there she is. So wow, what can I say? Smooth skin, the panels all match perfectly, and well, this is stage one because now the panels are fixed. Step two is she's going to move to that area, and I'm gonna switch over again and show you, because my car comes after this classic Ford Mustang, and I am allowed to do this to have a little peek. Next week she's gonna look like this. All crazy. Wow, look at how beautiful is this car. Never mind the noise, that's part of a garage space. But can you see this? So, well, this is a fantastic job. This is actually a really good place to be for petrol heads like us. Sorry, I've switched you over again, but this is a very good place because everywhere where you look you see beautiful cars and daily drivers, but they can do anything with your car. They can paint the rims, and I just walk over with me because I saw something in my eyes. I'm gonna switch on the sides again. Look, they can even do brake calipers. Look at how this rim is painted. Look at how fantastic that color looks. So much better than powder coating. So I just decided my rims are going to be painted. Well, Ferrari is not the only brand in here. And to be honest, just saw there two lovely Audis, one with damage. So I'm gonna switch over to the other side again. Yes, there we are again. So, again, all panels are fitted. The car is going to move to the work area over there to get primer and get ready for paint. I think that's going to be next week. So at the end of next week I'm gonna go here again to see how things are going. And after that she's gonna get painted. I can't wait.
A few moments later.
Last week you've seen me take a look at the 308. Today I am at the hall behind the paint shop. And here are some pretty interesting cars and I just wanted to show you them. So come with me and we'll have a look around. Well, where are we going to start? We're gonna start with something that belongs to my youth. Yeah, I guess so. PW Golf Mark II. Yes. Uh, yeah, as a kid, I really wanted a car like this. And now they're starting to become a classic almost. You don't see them very often. So yeah, it's in here for some minor repairs or some repairs. And behind me you see something, I don't even know what it is. So let's have a look. It's a restoration object and I don't know, maybe I can see, sneak peek. There's a beautiful dash. Wait up. Maybe it's open. Do you know what this is? Is this a Russian car or something? A Borgward. This is a Borgward. Aha. Wow. That's something you don't see every day. This thing is going to need a lot of work. So what else do we have here? Jaguar. Yeah, I told you before that the only cars that I am familiar with are Ferraris, so I don't even know what model it is. Over there we got some pretty old stuff. This is a Mercedes. Am I right? Yes. Can you see it? I really like the old cars like this. I remember a picture, I think, on the internet of our late Prince Bernhard. I think he crashed a car like this, but somehow that car was so beautiful. Fiat Tipolino, a Jeep, some scooters, of course. And what do we have here? A muscle car. Is that an what is it? A Plymouth Fury, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a race car because you can see the seats, a little bit dusty. But this is just like, for me, this is like a candy store. I love to be surrounded with old cars and beautiful projects, and I only wish I could do more myself. There's another, what is this? Francis? I don't know. Here we got an old Fiat, dismantled, ready for restoration. Little Fiat Abarth racer. 1, 2, oh. Yeah. Don't ask me about the numbers, I don't know. But pretty hard to see. I like it very much. BMW Z3 and a very orange Porsche Boxer. That's it. Yes. Okay. And well, talk about a nice daily. Audi e-tron, I think, or something. I don't know. I'm not into Audis. Who cares? And here we have a Mercedes being blacked out, I guess. An A-class, very nice car. And because what I didn't told you last time, here you see a van being wrapped. The guys also have a wrapping shop, the car signer, and well, here is da, 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 da. Yes, and in the showroom they got some more lovely cars like this lovely Fiat and this lovely Fiat. And if you want your car to be special, have a nice wrap, then this is the place to be. And well, maybe someday I will bring the car over here and show you what they can do. Very lovely. I really like the old little cars, wood, and well, it looks very original, but I'm not an expert. So and of course everybody loves the Fiat 500. So this is a nice little room if you need to wait. I see something that I haven't seen before. Peugeot. First time I've seen this car, but I may be from another world. I'm gonna switch side. Yeah. Okay. This was a little bit of a funny video. I don't know. Funny is not the right word, but a little bit chaotic. Yeah, it happens sometimes. But well, now you've seen where my car is and what other nice projects I have in house. Yeah, well, makes me happy. I hope it does for you. So please don't forget, like, subscribe, spread the word. You know the drill. But most important, yeah, well, go check out my videos. Have a look at the 308. Hopefully we can rebuild her soon and take her on journeys across Europe. And I hope you can join me on that journey. So for now, thank you and goodbye.